I get to beat now, son.
Yeah, but you got bare legs there.
I missed!
There's 2 flies right here, man. 2.
Ah!
Feed them to the fish.
I missed. I'm getting better. Oh, it's dead on the wall.
Hey, there's what? Can you get it in the air? No.
I missed. Oh, I got. Oh,
Good thing you're not a man, hey? You'd be missing the target every time.
it's not my job.
Tyler.
Oh, there's one on the light. Can I hit it?
No.
Can you move, please? Please move me. I'll get you. No, get off the light. Go on the roof. You want to play chicken?
That's hilarious.
Where'd it go? Let's go! Don't go to the light! Stop the light!
This is totally America's Funniest Home.
Post it on YouTube.
You get a couple,
Stop videoing me!
Post it on YouTube.
couple million hits right
Me
there.
in my boxers? No!
It's too dark over there. Thank God I was
Is
recording.
this thing
another
open?
time.
Why aren't they coming in now?
Because they know they're gonna get smacked.